One person using Claude well saves a few hours a week. A whole team using it well changes how the business runs. In this finale, we scale up, bringing Claude into your team without chaos, advanced prompting techniques that make it genuinely think, and finally assembling everything from this series into one complete personal AI system. This is where I use AI sometimes becomes AI runs my busy work. Let's finish this. Welcome to Catalyst Grid, and my name is Kingsley Aimufua, your host. This is Phase 4, the final phase of the Complete Claude Roadmap. 3 skills: team collaboration, advanced prompting, and the full workflow that ties all 15 together. If you followed along, you're about to go from competent to genuinely dangerous. Let's bring it home. Skill 13, team collaboration. The mistake teams make is everyone using Claude their own random way. The win is shared standards. 3 moves. 1. Shared projects. Put the team's context, brand voice, and reference docs in one place so everyone's Claude starts from the same knowledge. 2. A shared prompt playbook. Your best prompts for your common jobs, saved where the team can grab them, so quality doesn't depend on who's asking. 3. Meet Claude where you already work. On team plans, there are ways to bring Claude into shared tools, even tagging it into a channel to summarize a thread or draft a reply. Practical tip: appoint one person to own the team's prompt playbook and keep it fresh. The teams that win with AI aren't the ones with the smartest individual. They're the ones who standardized what works, so everyone levels up together. Exact team features depend on your plan, so check what you got. Grab the team playbook structure from the description to standardize your squad. Skill 14, advanced prompting. Beyond RCTF from Phase 1 into prompts that reason. 5 techniques. 1. Assign a role and a goal. You're a skeptical editor. Your job is to find the weakest argument. Sharpens everything. 2. Decompose. For hard tasks, tell Claude to work through this step by step and show your reasoning. You get better answers and you can see the logic. 3. Self-critique. After a draft, say, now critique your own answer and improve it. Claude catches its own gaps surprisingly well. 4. Few-shot examples. Show 2 or 3 examples of input and ideal output, and Claude locks onto the pattern. 5. Structure with tags. Wrap parts of your prompt in simple labels or XML tags, like context and task. So long, complex prompts stay unambiguous. And the meta move that levels everything up. Ask Claude to improve your prompt. Here's my prompt and my goal. Rewrite it to get a better result. You're using the AI to get better at using the AI. The advanced prompt template is in the description for your most complex jobs. Skill 15, the full workflow, where all 15 skills become one system. Picture a Monday. You open a project that already knows your world. One request kicks off a chain. Claude researches this week's topic with sources, drafts in your voice, builds a tracker as an artifact, and preps your meeting agenda, while your saved templates handle the reporting and email on the side. That's not 15 tricks anymore. That's an operating system for your work. To build yours, 4 layers: setup, templates, automations, and tools, and the team playbook. And here's the mindset that separates dabblers from masters. Stop asking, can Claude do this one task? And start asking, what part of my job can I hand to a system I've built? Your one-page AI system blueprint is waiting for you in the description. So that's the whole journey. Phase 1, you set up and learn to prompt. Phase 2, 6 everyday wins. Phase 3, you started automating and building. And Phase 4, you scaled it into a system. 15 skills, 4 phases. From typing your first prompt to running an AI operating system. But watching isn't learning. The people who actually change how they work are the ones who open Claude and do it. So pick one skill and use it on something real today. If this series helped, subscribe to Catalyst Grid. Tell me in the comments which skill changed your workflow most, and let me know what system you want broken down next. I'm Kingsley Aimufua, your host, signing off. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stick around for more impacted knowledge. That's the Complete Claude Roadmap. Now go build your system.